Looking to transform your bathroom into the ultimate relaxation retreat? Stick around as we unveil 6 genius remodel ideas guaranteed to elevate your daily routine. Let's get started. Hey everybody! Welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors, where we're diving into the world of home decor, one room at a time. Today, we're tackling a space that's often overlooked but holds incredible potential: the bathroom. Now, we all know that a bathroom isn't just a functional necessity, it's a sanctuary, a place to unwind, rejuvenate, and maybe even belt out a few tunes during your morning shower. So, if your bathroom is feeling a bit lackluster, fear not. We've got you covered with 6 brilliant remodel ideas that will completely transform your space. From maximizing natural light to adding luxurious touches, get ready to be inspired to give your bathroom the makeover it deserves. Let's dive in. Now, let's explore the idea of merging spaces to expand your bathroom size and functionality. Imagine having a bathroom that's not just a place to get ready in the morning, but also a spa-like retreat where you can relax and unwind after a long day. By combining adjacent rooms, you can create a larger, more luxurious bathroom that meets all your needs. Think about it, merging a small powder room with an adjoining closet or hallway can instantly double the size of your bathroom. This opens up a world of possibilities for adding features like a spacious walk-in shower, a deep soaking tub, or even a cozy seating area where you can enjoy a moment of quiet relaxation. Not only does merging spaces allow you to maximize the square footage of your bathroom, but it also allows for a more cohesive and efficient layout. Plus, it can add value to your home, making it a smart investment for the future. So, if you've been dreaming of a bathroom that's both functional and luxurious, consider merging spaces to create the ultimate retreat right in your own home. Let's delve into the world of maximizing natural light in your bathroom. Imagine waking up to the soft, gentle rays of the morning sun filtering through your bathroom window, casting a warm glow over everything it touches. It's a beautiful way to start the day, isn't it? Now, when it comes to bringing more of that natural light into your space, there are a few tricks you can try. First up, consider installing larger windows or even skylights if your bathroom layout allows. These additions not only flood the room with natural light but also create a sense of openness and airiness. Another option is to strategically place mirrors to reflect and amplify the sunlight, making your bathroom feel even brighter. And don't forget about privacy. You can opt for frosted or textured glass for your windows to maintain privacy while still allowing plenty of light to shine through. By maximizing natural light in your bathroom, you'll not only enhance its visual appeal but also create a more welcoming and uplifting environment for your daily routines. So, let's brighten up that bathroom and let the sun shine in. Let's now delve into the exciting world of upgrading surfaces in your bathroom remodel. Just imagine stepping into a bathroom with sleek, modern tiles, luxurious countertops, and elegant flooring. It's like stepping into a spa retreat right in your own home. When it comes to upgrading surfaces, there are endless possibilities to explore. You could opt for timeless subway tiles for a classic look, or go bold with patterned tiles for a touch of personality. For countertops, materials like marble or quartz not only add a touch of luxury but also offer durability and easy maintenance. And let's not forget about flooring. From chic ceramic tiles to warm, inviting hardwood, the right flooring can completely transform the look and feel of your bathroom. By upgrading surfaces, you'll not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your bathroom but also increase its functionality and value. So why settle for ordinary when you can create a bathroom that's truly extraordinary? It's time to elevate your space with stunning surface upgrades. Next up, let's shed some light on innovative lighting ideas for your bathroom remodel. Picture this: soft, dim lighting for a relaxing soak in the tub, or bright, energizing lights to help you wake up and get ready for the day ahead. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and enhancing the functionality of your bathroom. There are plenty of creative lighting fixtures to consider, from elegant chandeliers to sleek vanity lights and even LED strips for a modern touch. Layered lighting is key to achieving the perfect balance of ambience and practicality. Think overhead lights for overall illumination, task lighting for activities like shaving or applying makeup, and accent lighting to highlight architectural features or decor. And don't forget about natural light. If your bathroom has windows or skylights, make the most of them by keeping window treatments light and airy to maximize natural daylight during the day. With the right lighting scheme, you can create a bathroom that's not only beautiful but also functional and inviting at any time of day. So let's shed some light on your bathroom remodel and illuminate your space in style. My friends, it's time to dive into the world of storage solutions for your bathroom remodel. We all know how important it is to keep our bathrooms organized and clutter-free, but finding the right storage solutions can sometimes feel like a challenge. Luckily, there are plenty of clever ways to maximize storage in your bathroom without sacrificing style. Consider incorporating built-in cabinets or shelves to make the most of vertical space and keep toiletries, towels, and other essentials neatly tucked away. Floating shelves are another great option, providing storage without taking up valuable floor space. And don't overlook the power of multifunctional furniture. A stylish vanity with drawers or shelves can double as storage for towels and toiletries, while also serving as a focal point for your bathroom design. By investing in smart storage solutions, you can create a more organized and functional bathroom that makes your daily routine a breeze. So let's get creative and find the perfect storage solutions to keep your bathroom looking tidy and stylish. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about adding luxurious touches to your bathroom remodel. After all, who doesn't love a little indulgence, especially in the comfort of their own home? Imagine stepping onto heated floors on a chilly morning or wrapping yourself in a warm towel from a sleek towel warmer after a relaxing shower. These are just a few examples of the luxurious touches you can incorporate into your bathroom remodel to create a spa-like oasis right at home. Other indulgent features to consider include a rainfall shower head for a refreshing and invigorating shower experience, or a freestanding soaking tub where you can soak away the stresses of the day in style. By adding these luxurious touches to your bathroom remodel, you'll not only enhance your daily routine but also create a space that feels like a true retreat, a place where you can unwind, relax, and pamper yourself whenever you need a little escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. So go ahead, treat yourself to the ultimate bathroom upgrade and turn your everyday routine into a luxurious experience you'll look forward to each and every day. My friends, HD Interiors fans, there you have it, 6 brilliant ideas to transform your bathroom into a space that's both functional and fabulous. From maximizing natural light to adding luxurious touches, there are endless possibilities to explore when it comes to bathroom remodeling. So whether you're looking to create a serene spa retreat or simply update the look and feel of your space, I hope these ideas have inspired you to embark on your own bathroom remodel journey. Remember, the key is to tailor your design to fit your personal style and needs, so don't be afraid to get creative and make it your own. If you found these bathroom remodel ideas helpful and inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends and family who might also be looking to spruce up their bathrooms. If you want to stay updated on more home improvement tips and ideas, subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to continue bringing you more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.